Again, to create custom variables, follow the input things. Custom variables means here you have WDL 1, 2, 3, right? So if I want to have the headings to be given by the user, that is also possible in MATLAB. So WDL 1, 2, 3 is meaningless, right? So if I want to give my own headings for all these columns, it is also possible. Okay, so that you can use it by using this array to table command. You are going to pass some extra command. Okay, so see, again, create a table name stats from the array WDL. I am going to create the same thing with the variables wins, draws, and losses. Okay, so you have to use this command. You have to use this option variable name. So see here, it is given variable name, and within the square brackets, you have to give names. So I will give wins, loss, losses. Able to understand? Now, if we run this command, you will see what is the change. See the change? It was WDL 1, 2, 3 previously. Now it has become wins, draws, and losses. So if I want to access anything, stats dot, you will get wins. Stats dot, you see wins, draws, and losses. But here, if I run this section, just a second, I will run only till this. Here I am having an issue. See here, if I run this section, already the variable is over. I just want to show you that if I keep stats dot here, you will not get the wins. But see here, stats dot WDL 1, 2, 3 are getting. But here, after giving your own names, now you see here stats dot, we run this section. Now see stats dot h. You're able to understand? So default, MATLAB will give its own column name. If you want to change that, that option is also there in MATLAB using the command variable names. You submit the answer and see if it is correct. Yes, so everything is correct. We have done executed the command properly. And finally, did you know the table output in live scale is interactive? So leave off the semicolon to display team wins in the output panel. So if you want to display team wins, just write team wins and run, you get the team wins. So you need not use the disk command. So MATLAB says it is very, very optional. So you just give the name and click on run section, you will get the answer. You should not use semicolon. See here, just like see here, here we are given team, W, WDL, and who's, right? The same way, you want to display any variable, immediately MATLAB has the provision. Just give the variable name and click on run section. You will get the thing immediately. Team wins will come immediately. I hope this thing is clear. So here we have seen how to merge different variables into a table. And one thing you should know, if you are going to have an array in MATLAB, if you are going to convert this array into a table, you cannot directly add this array to a table. You have to first convert this array into a table and then merge with the existing table. That only has to be you have to remember that alone. Otherwise, things are going to be very simple. And we are going to use the command call. One command is table to create table using variables. Second, array to table is used to concatenate or to convert your array into table for processing in your MATLAB. And another thing, if you want to give your own column name for the table in MATLAB, you can do so by using the variable names option in the MATLAB. That is also possible. Summary is, so we have used the read table command and we have got this table into MATLAB. Then I can easily concatenate two variables and I can create my own table and I can change the column names as I like using the wins, draws, and loss as the example shown here using the property of variable names. Okay, I think it is clear. So we have just summary is shown here. I think we might